Shadow by Kingfishr is played with the low E string drop down to a C, the A string drop down to a G, the D string stays as a D, the G stays as a G, the B string drops down to another G, and the high E string drops down to a D. This is the same tuning as the Kingfishr song Eyes Don't Lie. So for the first song in the intro, this is really like a C add 9 chord. First finger 12th fret the low E string, third finger on the 14th fret the D, the rest of the strings are open. We're going to keep the shape the same and move down to 7 and 9. This is a G chord, and then the final chord for the intro is an E minor bass chord, 4th fret on the low E string and 5th fret on the D string. So throughout this song we're always going to be playing on the low E and D string of our chord voicings. So for the C add 9 chord, we'll strum down, down, up, down, down. And then for the G, same strumming, down, down, up, down, down. E minor 7, same strumming, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Just twice on that E minor 7 chord. We have. So for the verse, we have a C add 9 chord, down, up, down, down. E minor 7, 4 and 5, down, up, down, down. So the 7 and 9, that G chord twice. We'll play this 4 times. For the chorus, we have a single strum, 2nd fret on the D, that's C add 9 chord, single strum 7 and 9 on the G chord, then a bar of the E minor 7, down, down, up, down, 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 up with the E minor 7 before we move to a new chord, D add 11, 2nd fret on the low E, 4th fret on the D, down, down, up. So we have the C add 9, G to the E minor, back to the C add 9, down, down, up, down, down, to that G chord 7 and 9, and then to the E minor 7, 4 and 5 for 2 bars before we go back to the verse. So the whole chorus. The mid 8 in the song, we swap to single strums. We have that C add 9 chord, 12 and 14, down to the E minor 7, 4 and 5, to the G, 7 and 9, to the C add 9, this time played low down, and then we go to a new chord here, 9 on the low E, 10 on the D. This is like a G, so it's 2 chord, before we go down to E minor 7, 4 and 5 again, G, 7 and 9, and then the C add 9, 2nd fret on the D string. And then we go into a strumming pattern. So the whole midday, C add 9, E minor 7, G, C add 9 open, G sus 2, E minor 7, G, and the C add 9. Then we go into the strumming part. We go to that G sus 2, 9 and 10, E minor 7, G, 7 and 9. Back to the C add 9, open and 2nd. Into the G sus 2, 9 and 10 again. E minor 7. And we finish with the G chord. Down, 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 down. Okay, so the strumming part.